Welcome to the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder SV. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine and made it up to a CVT, continuous automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Nissan Pathfinder. Power windows, locks and mirrors there. Heated steering wheel. We have tow mode, traction control, and your blind spot monitoring system. A leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. This vehicle only has 13,778 kilometers. Incredibly low. We have push-button ignition, a nice navigation screen as well with apps and audio controls, dual zone climate control, heated front seats. You have your 4x4 dial here as well for your locking 4x4 system in the Nissans. All black interior and our heated cloth seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Pathfinder, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Continental Cross Contact all-season tire, chrome accenting door handles with keyless entry on the front driver's door. Coming to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps. There's fog lights as well, your block heater, and your Nissan chrome grille. Making our way to the back here, rear tinted privacy windows, and the vehicle is equipped with remote start. At the back, you got parking sensors, as well as your Pathfinder 4-wheel drive SV badging and a backup camera. Jumping into the interior, our second row is a cloth 60/40 bench. Both end seats here are car seat ready and they do fold down nice and flat, which gives us access to the third row, which is folded down as well, a 50-50 split, both car seat ready back there as well. When all the seats folded down, gives you enormous trunk space. We got the solid roof over top, and in the back of the center console, rear climate control and USB charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.